What's up, everyone? This video is about air filters for a Kenworth made by K&N. I just want to make this quick video. Here's the part number. I will put the rest of the part numbers, the original part number from the truck, air filter, and everything at the end. But I just want to make a quick video, let you guys know I ain't not getting paid by K&N to make this video. Neither they provide this thing for free. Well, this is where it's going, so we'll figure it out. I know some of you guys might not agree with this kind of filter, but I figure it's gonna save me some money in the long run. Because each filter on this truck, they're about either $150 to $200, I want to say. And I got two. Some of those, they can get very expensive. You know, depends how many times you change it a year. Once a year, okay. But if you do the math, how many years you got the truck, then you know, you definitely, this one is worth it for me because it's watchable. Okay, here is the other filter, the old filter. Let me just say it like that. See, it's dirty already. I changed them the beginning of the year. So here's a new one. Now, it's kind of hard to hold the phone and try to do this, so I'm gonna try to do much as I can. I'm gonna measure it, make sure it's the right size. I mean, I did got him with the part number from the old one. There it is. It looks a little smaller, but I believe this one has a lot more cushion than this one. So I'm gonna I guess try them and see what happens. But this is what this filter is, and it has that net all the way around it, and it's watchable. I use K&N filters in all my cars for the most part. Some people, I've seen some videos that some people said that it does kill the engine and all that, but I never had a problems. I can guarantee you, because I use it in my cars, but never use it on a commercial truck. So we'll see how that goes. That is aftermarket. That is not the original Packard filter. I'll be putting all the part numbers in that part number too at the end of the video, but I just want to show you guys a little bit what it looked like, and we'll try to put it in there, see what it does. All right, it sits in there right. Just gotta press it down and it should be all right, but I'm gonna put the top, see what it does. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but it fit right on it. So I think it's a go. I just want to mention right over here, when you take this top off, there is a gasket that originally comes with the new filters, the other filters, not the K&N. It did not come with that gasket. So if K&N is watching this video, maybe you should incorporate that gasket, you know, because it's not, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get a gasket, you know. I guess at least change it at least once a year or so. So that's the only problem I see with that so far. Okay, this is the gasket I'm talking about, that it does come with the original filters. I mean, it's still good, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. but I'm gonna try to see if I can just get the gasket itself. So I would have think K&N would have thought about that, you know, about, you know, providing you or us for with that gasket. It goes around the house, you know, the housing. When the cover comes down, come down, it sits in there. So all right, it's the second one. It fits perfect around the edges right here. So that was my concern. The other one seems to be a lot longer, but it sticks out a little bit past the housing on the top. But this one, just probably about an eighth, it sticks out and it looks good. So we'll figure it out once we start it, see what it does. I don't hear a difference in the engine, so we'll see what happens when it's loaded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like my videos, don't forget to like. Thanks for supporting.